Sarap. Sino dito ang mahilig kumain ng kanin? Pero, health conscious din. Gaya ko. Oh my gosh, yung bata ako, sobrang bundok ako kumain ng kanin. But syempre, kailangan i-maintain yung body figure, lalo na sa trabaho ko. I switched to Dr. Pinoca's Premium Healthy Rice. Super sarap nito, guys. Low calories, low carb, and no fat inside. Yan po itsura niya. It is sealed and packed like this, so you are ensured na yung freshness will stay. It is 56 calories for 1 cup of rice. Black rice, red rice, oat groats, brown rice, and buckwheat. Buckwheat is so good. It is a good source of fiber. And fiber is really good for your gut health, guys. This is a good substitute for normal white rice. This rice is sugar-free and gluten-free. Kung nag-diet ka and may certain diet kasi na sinusundan, it is safe for keto, Atkins, Dukan, and diabetes. That's so good for you. So if you have diabetes or someone in your family na meron, safe tong rice na to para sa kanila.
At ngayon naka-promo pa, buy 5, get 5 free. Kaya super sulit. Check nyo na yung yellow basket to get that promo.
So guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mag-switch na kayo for a more healthier lifestyle. Kasama ang Dr. Pinoca's Premium Healthy Rice. Stay healthy, guys! Bye!